Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Out With a Bang, a collaboration hosted by Mandy from SunflowersAndDors and Julie from Julie's Papercrafts. It's all happening in the Junk Journal Fix Facebook group throughout August. There are discounts off the kits that we're all using. And there are also freebies for those of you who are unable to get the kits in the Junk Journal Fix Facebook group as well. It's running throughout August, and there are a whole month of incredible creators lined up every day all throughout August. And today I'm sharing my slot with Scrapbooking with Me Crafts, and our prompt today is masterpiece. So if you're playing along, this is what I came up with. So I'm using these lovely frames from Julie's kit and from Mandy's kit, one of the double page spreads. So all I'm doing here is I'm just cutting out the individual little frames, and I thought masterpiece, works of art that are considered masterpieces are normally framed, and so that's how I came up with this as a prompt. So look, when you're cutting out the centres, if you're good with a scalpel, you can actually cut out the centres using a knife or a scalpel. When you get to the corners, it can actually make it a little bit easier if you hold your knife down and turn your page, and then you'll find that you cut right to the corners. You can see I'm lifting my ruler just to check that I'm getting right to the corner. So that's one way to do it. This one has a little curved top, so if you're really good with your scalpel, you can do that with a knife, but I find it easier to cut out curves or different shapes with scissors, so that's what I've done here. And I found that I didn't have to be too precise. I could just ink around the edges inside and out, and then that sort of covers up, any little wonky lines that you get along the way. So, whenever there's a cheater's way to do any little art pieces, I'll use it. So there you go. There's the little finished result on that first frame. So look, for the others, I simply sliced in the middle so that I could get my scissors in and then cut around. The oval, I was really wonky. However, as you can see, it turned out fine. So I'll just speed up the last two. I cut out one, and the last one, because it was nice square lines, I did actually do the last one with my scalpel, inking all the edges inside and out. And then it was a matter of seeing which frames suited which picture. So I thought these ones from Mandy's kit looked so nice with the frames from Julie's kit that I had to use them. So that was what I decided on in the end, just to help me know where to cut them out in the back. I'm using a pencil, just a light pencil line to mark the corners, and then I can just cut out those pieces from that. Again, use your scissors if you're good with straight lines, or use your scalpel or a knife if you need a bit of extra help like me to keep your lines straight. So there we are, cutting out the first one, just doing the top edge as well, and then that's cut to the same size as the frame. Now I'm doing two versions. One is going to be a pocket, one is going to be a frame. So there's the one that I'm going to have as a pocket, and as you can see, it sits flush. And there's the one that I'm actually just doing as a journal card. It's a nice little layered way to do a journal card. So rounding the corners, then simply pasting the frame straight on top of it, and then pressing it down and making sure that it's really nice and flush. Now, for this, you may find it easier to cut out your background piece afterwards. I did actually have one piece slightly bigger than the other, so I just recut the edges and rounded the corners. And then I'm simply inking around the edges, but I got a bit messy on the back of this card. So to cover it up, I've now just done a little inked border just plain, just inked, and then that gives a little bit of an impression of something else that is meant to be written in, gives the, reader a bit of a hint. All right, so the other one, I now actually want to cut down the picture smaller than the frame, because this is going to be a journal card that will slot in and out of the picture. I'm just going by eye, so I just sort of gently cut it down until I knew it was going to fit inside it. Then I rounded the corners, inked the edges, front and back, and then I just did a little thumb notch with half a circle punch on the top. And then I thought it would be nice to have a little tab on the top of the little journaling card, so I just used the scrap that I cut the pictures out of and inked the edges, and that made a beautiful little tab on the top. So now, to make sure that the pocket slides nice and smoothly, that's how it's going to be in the end, I thought it would be good to have just a piece of plastic. This is just packaging of something. I always save these. I use double-sided tape all around the edges, and it actually is easier if you do your thumb notch afterwards. So I sort of thumb notched it around, but I did fix it up afterwards so that I could do the thumb notch all together. So then just peeling off the backing and placing the plastic onto that. And then that is now a nice smooth pocket. So that I could get the top thumb notch the same, I put a piece of paper or cardboard behind, and then I've got the piece on top, redid my thumb notch, and then it all sits together and it actually catches the plastic as well, or it did for me. Okay, now it's just making it into a pocket. So gluing around 3 sides, putting it down on your page or into your journal or wherever you're putting your pocket, and voila, a little journal card that sits inside your pocket. So we have the plain journaling card that's framed, and we've got the framed pocket. All the links are in the description. There is also a link to the playlist so that you can follow each of the creators each day. And I will see you again with another one this month for Out With A Bang that is super simple. So take care, everyone, and I hope you're having fun playing along with Out With A Bang. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!